Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Future Value Calculator for long-term investors. First, a Dividend Future Value Calculator helps investors estimate how a dividend portfolio may grow over time by combining starting capital, regular contributions, dividend yield, dividend growth, and compounding. In simple terms, it gives a clearer picture of what today's investing decisions may look like years later. To understand why this matters, it is important to remember that long-term investing is not only about what you invest today, but also about how consistently you invest and how long you allow your money to grow. Therefore, this type of calculator helps set long-term goals, shows the power of compounding, supports retirement planning, and turns assumptions into a more practical estimate. Next, the first step is to enter the starting investment. This is the initial amount already invested in the dividend portfolio. For example, if an investor starts with $20,000, that amount becomes the base from which future growth begins. Naturally, a larger starting amount gives compounding more capital to work with from the beginning. After that, the second step is to add regular contributions. These are the amounts added monthly or yearly to keep growing the portfolio. For instance, adding $500 per month can steadily increase the total investment base. As a result, regular contributions can make a major difference over time because they continuously add fresh capital to the portfolio. Then, the third step is to input the dividend yield. Dividend yield affects the income the portfolio generates today. For example, if the portfolio has an average dividend yield of 3.5%, that yield determines the income being produced on the invested amount. In other words, yield is one of the building blocks of future income growth. In addition, the fourth step is to estimate dividend growth. Many strong dividend companies increase their payouts over time, and that growth can significantly improve future results. For example, if dividend income grows at 6% annually, then the portfolio may produce larger and larger income streams as the years pass. So, dividend growth is an essential part of long-term wealth building. Furthermore, the fifth step is to choose the expected return or compounding effect. Reinvested dividends and rising company payouts can increase portfolio value over time, and this is where compounding becomes powerful. Instead of taking dividends out and spending them, reinvesting them can help create a bigger portfolio and higher future income. Afterward, the sixth step is to select the time horizon. An investor may choose 10 years, 20 years, or even 30 years. The longer the time horizon, the more powerful compounding becomes. Consequently, time is often one of the most important ingredients in building long-term wealth. Moreover, the calculator can also be understood through a simple formula idea. Future value depends on starting capital, regular contributions, reinvested dividends, growth, and time. This means the goal is not just to grow the portfolio balance, but also to build a larger future income stream that can support long-term financial goals. For example, let us imagine an investor starts with $20,000, adds $500 per month, earns a 3.5% dividend yield, benefits from 6% annual dividend growth, and stays invested for 25 years. In this illustrative example, the estimated portfolio value may grow to around $420,000 to $520,000, while estimated annual dividend income may reach about $14,000 to $18,000. This shows how consistent investing and patience can create meaningful long-term results. At the same time, it is useful to know what increases future value. Starting early gives compounding more time, investing regularly keeps adding capital, reinvesting dividends strengthens growth, choosing quality dividend growers improves long-term potential, and staying invested through market ups and downs helps the plan continue working. Finally, a strong future value plan should follow a simple checklist. That means defining your goal, using realistic assumptions, reviewing progress yearly, increasing contributions when possible, tracking dividend growth, and staying focused on the long term. Ultimately, a Dividend Future Value Calculator helps long-term investors visualize how starting capital, regular contributions, dividend yield, dividend growth, and patience can build a much larger portfolio and future income stream. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.